going to be using the new Wondrous Weaver by Wonder Beauty. I'm excited to use this palette. It's so pretty and it's simple. It's not big, so you can really bring it anywhere with you. So I'm going to use the transition shade in here, and this is the matte color. And this is just going to help everything work together. So when you're using a lot of shimmery shades, you just need to make sure you blend really, really well, or it can kind of get junky and just look a mess. So just take your time. Then I'm going to use this goldish color, and I'm going to use my new Lab 2 Beauty, and I'm loving these. You can get them right at Walgreens. They're inexpensive, and I think they're really great quality. So I'm just popping that over my transition shade, and I'm using a light hand, and I'm just going to make sure I blend it a whole lot just so it doesn't look greasy. There's a difference between a pretty shimmer and just a greasy effect. Then I'm going to take that darker brown shimmery color, and I'm going to focus that on my outer corner, and I'm just basically going to stamp it into the outer corner and just build that color up. And then I'm going to go back in with the light gold and kind of work those and diffuse them together. And then you're going to see me again stamp the dark brown, and I'm just going to take my time with it. Then on my finger, I'm going to use the champagne color. I'm going to pop that onto my lid, and then again you're going to see me go back in with that fluffy brush and just make sure that the dark brown, the transition color, and everything is just nice and blended together. So again, just take your time. Then I'm going to take the CoverGirl liner. I'm going to throw on some Be Natural Lashes by Salon Perfect. Then I'm going to take these new Lab 2 Beauty brushes, and I normally don't use these types, but I was like, I'm going to give it a go and try it out, and I can't believe how soft they are. I actually have the Artiste brush, and I actually like these ones a lot better. I think they're made with different bristles, but these ones I feel like are a lot more gentle on my skin, and I love the big one because I feel like I can just cover so much more of my face and bring it down my neck, so it saves a lot of time. And then I'm going to take the Wonder Beauty concealer, and I'm going to use, this is the Duelist, so on my more greasy spots, I'm going to use the matte side, and then on where I'm not so greasy and I'm a little bit drier, like under my eyes, I'm going to use the liquid part, so I can just like even out that dryness and the oiliness in my face. That's what I really, really like about this concealer. And then I'm going to take the Dermablend Pro. This is one of my favorite translucent powders. It doesn't dry me out. Laura Mercier dries me so bad. Then I'm going to take the deeper shade in the same type of Dermablend. It's just a different color to set the rest of my face. And then I was really, really upset because I really wanted to use my Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Face Oil, but I forgot because I suck. So I'm really sad about it. But then I'm going to take the Buxom Tahiti bronzer, and I love this bronzer because it's just going to put a little bit more shimmer back in my skin because I want to look just shimmery and glowy and fresh and summery and all that stuff. So I'm just going to put that around my face just so I'm not looking so flat and I'm just looking more glowy, I guess. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some Pure Cosmetics, and this is their Sculptor. It came in BoxyCharm, and this is just going to help give a little bit more depth into my cheeks to make it look like I have more cheekbones, you know? And it's also going to darken up my face because the rest of my body is pretty darn tan. So yeah, this just kind of helps give me a more deeper effect. Then I'm going to throw on some mascara. This is by Wonder Beauty. This also came in the BoxyCharm. I love this mascara. It's really good. I like that it has a curve, so it's really easy to get nice and close. And then I'm going to take this highlighter color, and I love it. I got so many compliments about how it was just so poppin', but it didn't bring out a lot of texture in my skin, which I absolutely loved it. So it felt like really smooth and silky to put on, and again, I don't think it brought out a lot of texture in my skin, and it blended really, really well with my bronzer. Sometimes highlighters can make your bronzer look a little muddy, and this definitely did not. So then I'm going to take that pink color, and I'm just going to pop this onto my cheeks for a little shimmer and a little blush effect, and it kind of is nice because it makes it look like the sun hit your face. And then I'm going to spray my face with some setting powder, or some setting spray by Wonder Beauty. I love it. I recommend it to all my friends. And then I'm going to finish up popping on that highlighter. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this face look. And for my lips, I decided to use the Becca Tiger Lily, and it is a gloss. It's nice and corally. I didn't go crazy on it because it is very, very pigmented, and I didn't want something so bright. When I put it on, I was like, damn, I forgot how bright this is. So I kind of just smudged it out with my finger to diffuse that color. And that's it. I hope you guys love this look, and I'll talk to you soon.